have downloaded the zip file, we need to extract. Once we have extracted, as we can see in the EVOLVED-5G folder, we'll see a VBox file. So then let's go to the VirtualBox. So we need to open VirtualBox. So when VirtualBox is open, we need to click on this add file. And then we need to select from the folder that we have extracted, the EVOLVED-5G folder, the file with VBox extension. We select it and we will see the image there. We can click on start, and then the virtual machine will start to powering up. Restoring the virtual machine from the latest state. It may take some time depending on your computer. So as we can see here, we have already the virtual machine started. Okay, so in order to not use the GUI, because maybe sometimes could be a bit slow, I recommend to enter or to use this virtual machine through command line, through SSH. So in order to do so, this virtual machine has already implemented the forwarding to port 22 by using in the host machine the port 3022. So now I will show you how to enter from SSH to the virtual machine. Although you can use the normal virtual machine, enter with the user EVOLVED-5G. The password is the same, EVOLVED-5G, and then you can execute everything. You can execute and see all the software that we have developed in EVOLVED-5G. So in my case, I use MOBA in order to access to the virtual machine. So as you can see, there is SSH -P, which is the port 3022. Okay, and then EVOLVED-5G, and I'm attacking or pointing to localhost, which is 127.0.0.1. Okay, then we'll ask for a password. The password, as I mentioned, is EVOLVED-5G, so it's the same as the username. So we can see that we have the EVOLVED-5G folder. Okay, there we have all the software, the CAPIF, the NEF, the TSN. We also have the dummy network application, which is a dummy example that we provide. So if we go to the dummy, we go to the source folder, and then we execute terminal to Python app. It means that we are accessing to the network app that is already deployed and registered and on board into CAPIF. And once we have it, we execute one of the examples, which is, for example, I will show the TSN. Okay, so the network app working with TSN through CAPIF. So we can see that we have two profiles on the TSN. So if we want to apply such profile, we say yes, and then we'll see the return token that has been used to apply the configuration. And then also if we want to clear the TSN profile, okay, so we clear the TSN profile and we will need to load a new one. So that's the example on how we can use the dummy network app in the service package.